What's the meaning of cleverly? Cleverly. Cleverly.
Cleverly. Cleverly. Cleverly can be defined as a way of doing something that shows intelligence or ingenuity. It implies a level of skillful manipulation of information or circumstances to achieve a desired outcome. The use of the word cleverly often suggests that the action taken was not just effective, but also creative and perhaps even strategic in nature. This adverb is commonly used to describe actions that are carried out with a certain level of cunning or shrewdness, indicating a deliberate intention to use one's intellect to achieve a specific goal.